Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a text message pop-up animation in Premiere Pro. Once you already have your clip on the timeline, first thing we're going to create is the chat bubbles. Select the rectangle tool right here and draw it on your video like that. And under the essential graphics, we are going to increase the corner radius, which is right here. Just drag it to the right to increase it so we can mimic the appearance of a chat bubble. Once you have done that, we are going to select the pen tool now, which is right here. And we are going to select these two lines. Next, we are going to use the pen tool. I'm just gonna zoom into the video and create 3 lines like that and create 3 points like that so we can create a little triangle at the corner of the rectangle that we just created. And it should look like that. Once you're satisfied with your chat bubble, just select the graphic clip that we have on our timeline, and this is our chat bubble. Once you have done that, you're going to Effect Controls and decrease the opacity to 80. And we are going to duplicate this graphic by holding Alt on your keyboard and dragging it, and we are going to put it on top like that. And let's go to the effects and search for horizontal flip and drag it to one of the graphic or chat bubble. And it should be duplicated, and the little triangle at the corner should be flipped as well so that it indicates the one receiving the message. Next, we are going to adjust the position of the other chat bubble using the position under the effect controls and position it however you like. With that, let's search for color replace under the effects and drag it to both of our chat bubbles. So you've done that, select the first chat bubble, go to Effect Controls, and under the color replace, we have Target Color, select the dropper tool, and select the first chat bubble. And we are going to change the replace color, so click on it and change the color however you like. I'm just going to set it to a maybe yellow. And if it's not changing much, you can change the target color and see if that works better. And then change or replace the color again. Do that for the other chat bubble, select the target color, and then replace the color based on your preference. And it should look like that. Now we are ready to add text on your chat bubble, so just select the type tool and type in the message that you want to add into the chat bubble. And then you can add some sound effects and animation to make it look better. And that is how I can basically create a text message pop-up animation in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.